I'm Tony Perks, and this is a brief introduction to AgilePM version 3 certification aimed at anyone interested or thinking of signing on for our course to gain this certification, and also those perhaps who've already signed on would like a little more information about the certification. So, the course. The course will obviously provide a clear understanding of the latest version of AgilePM. AgilePM is a framework which combines the benefits of project management with product development, and the product development aspect of it is based on the Scrum framework. So it's combining project management and product development and gives a clear understanding of Scrum as well. Through this course, we should be able to enable delegates to apply Scrum product development within that project environment. So there will be case studies within the course, exercises, because we want people to feel that they can apply it beyond the course in a real environment. What we also do is prepare delegates to sit the exam, and in fact they actually sit the exam within the course. Learning materials. We will send pre-course information out, pre-course learning materials which will enable you to build up to the course. We would encourage you to undertake these as a preliminary aspect of the course. We will also provide you with the official AgilePM version 3 manual as published by the Agile Business Consortium. So this is part of the learning materials, and we will also provide comprehensive exam support materials. The examinations will be taken online. Taken online on the exam board's platform. There are 2 examinations. The foundation exam will be held on the afternoon of day 3. It's only a 40-minute exam, but it has 50 questions, and you need to get 60% to pass. Multiple choice. Pick one option from 4 presented to you, and no reference material allowed in that exam. So if you're signing on for foundation, you'll take this examination on the afternoon of day 3. For those staying with us for practitioner, we then move into exam preparation, exam coaching for the practitioner exam, which is still multiple choice, but more complex and a longer exam. We'll take it on the afternoon of day 4, and it's 120 minutes. So it's a 2-hour exam where you'll be confronted by 50 questions asking you to apply your knowledge of AgilePM, and you've got to get 30 out of 60 to pass. So this one's just a 50% pass mark over 60 questions. The good news about this one is that you're allowed to use the book. So it's basically answering questions in the light of AgilePM, in the light of a project scenario, using the manual. So what I've tried to do there is just take you through the basic idea of AgilePM version 3, outline what the course will do for you, get you understanding it, hopefully provide you with the opportunity to apply it and prepare and sit for the examinations, which will be held day 3, day 4. So, hope that's useful, and hope that we will see you on one of our exams if you've not signed on. And if you have signed on, well, I hope that gave you a little bit more information just to reinforce what you may already know.